Okay, so for the unboxing, I'm gonna pull up the seller's info to start with on MERCARI. Like I said, she really packaged this really nicely, and she put a lot of fragile stickers on it, and you don't hear anything moving around when I shake it, so I appreciate that a lot. Very nice seller. I love that she's shipped US Postal Service. I just feel like they deliver so much faster than FedEx and UPS. Okay, so I pulled up the information. This seller, her username is Sweet Southern Dunn. I'll either put it below or I will try to put it in this video as well. Right now she has a couple items up for sale, not too many. Well, she's got a good bit of stuff. I think she's pretty reasonable for what she is offering compared to some of the people that I've seen throughout the couple of days that I've been like stalking MERCARI. I think she's pretty affordable. I love that she bundles because I hate paying for shipping, so if I'm paying for shipping, I feel like I should get a whole bunch of stuff. So let's try to open this. Maybe. Oh, battery, don't die. Don't die on me. Don't die, battery. Okay, y'all. My battery is blinking hard, so it's my fault I did not charge my camera. Hopefully we can get through this quick. But she has everything tissue papered and bubble wrapped up in here. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Just gonna put this down so I can get to it. Okay, cool. All right. So first up, I believe this is a mug. Sorry, she bubble wrapped this so good that I'm having to cut through it. It's pretty awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, this is so exciting. It's like adult Christmas right now. And I forgot what I ordered, so it's going to be fun just unwrapping in general. So I have gotten, it's a Bay mug. Completely forgot I ordered this, but it says Bay. So that's exciting. Now I got Bay and Balance. What's next? Something in here. Oh, these are 2 mugs, I think. I forgot I ordered these. I think I know what they are. Now that I go through them, I'm remembering. Just trying to get to the chase and cut through the bubble wrap. Because she's got it taped and wrapped, and I'm not mad at it. And she ships really fast. Like, she had this out the very next day, and I believe she's a mom of like 2 or something, her profile said, so I am not mad. She hustled, and she even wrapped the mugs within the packaging. So I got the Beauty and the Beast mug set from her. Okay, so that's that. So all of my mugs have bees. Just realized that. Gonna keep going. There's a couple more items in the box. This one is another mug. And this one says coffee because I am an avid coffee drinker, so I thought this was very fitting. Love it. I'm so excited about these mugs, guys. What I really like about Rae Dunn is that their products are not perfect. So I can appreciate that. I think it just makes them all the more appealing to people that they aren't perfect. So got another mug. I don't even remember ordering this many mugs. Let's see what it is. Okay. My camera's still holding on, guys, so I'm trying to rush this unboxing. Ooh, what does it say? Ah, it says Latte. I'm looking through the bubble wrap. I'm like, what does it say? Awesome. Okay. This is Latte. So that was sweet of her. I don't recall ordering this one, so I think this might have been a gift. So yeah, this is Latte. Perfect. And again, like, it's crazy because mugs are so hard to come by where I live. So I'm so excited that she had a great deal on her mugs. And I was actually just peeping her page as I was looking for her info. And I was like, oh, I might order that. Even though I just said, hey, go local. But when the deal is hot, and you gotta strike while the iron's hot, babe. So my last item from MERCARI for today is, I guess you all can tell from the packaging, another cheese board. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna try to, there we go. I love the way she packaged this. Listen, this kind of packaging definitely makes me want to order from a seller again. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. It doesn't. This is care. This is someone who understands the Rae Dunn way, the hunt. So I'm just going to work here. Like, she's got it wrapped so freaking tight. I'm impressed. I'm so impressed. And like, when I say this arrived and it didn't make a sound, this is the best packaging I've ever seen. She must have worked for like UPS or something, because this is great. All right. There we go. I'm so excited about this piece. I've been stalking it, so I'm excited that it's finally here. And this is the infamous long letter cheese tray, full sized. So that is my one of my items that I've been hunting and I haven't been able to find in store. So I just went ahead and ordered this from her, and I'm so glad I did. She packaged it so well. I couldn't be more happy with this purchase. So with this purchase, hope I said that right. So yeah, that's my cheese tray. I'm so excited about it. So another item that I picked up that is not Rae Dunn, but it just goes with the Rae Dunn theme of things. I think we're all pretty aware that everyone has like a little coffee station or something set up in their house, and they usually have this sign that says yum on it. I thought it was just super cute, and it only cost me about $6, $5–6 at Hobby Lobby, and you can get them when they have their wooden frame sale, which is every other week, I believe. So it would retail for $11.99, but I picked it up on sale.
That was the last photo.
Okay. So that's it for my haul slash unboxing. Hopefully I'll be coming back on here really soon with another Rae Dunn haul, or maybe like a Rae Dunn vlog or something like that. I'm not really sure at the moment. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Yep, thank you guys so much for stopping in and checking out my Rae Dunn haul slash unboxing. And I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel, come back, see what's going on with me. And I'm just excited to be here. Again, my name is Chanel, and I've enjoyed your company. I hope you enjoyed mine. Thanks. Peace.